Hi, my name is Yuchen. I'm a master's student at Harvard GSD. My final project of CS50 is called Traditional Chinese Color. In the past few centuries, Chinese art and culture have experienced profound self-sublimation, while at the same time still attempting to evolve. This is especially manifested in fine art and design, where the collision of Chinese and Western cultures appear to be the most noticeable. With the gradual rationalization of China's understanding of Western culture and art, it is worthwhile to return our attention to history, focus on the restoration of traditional art, and allow Chinese art to find its own place in the world. In traditional Chinese art and culture, colors are highly important. As a prototype, the purpose of this website is to research, study, and classify these traditional colors, firstly as a platform to introduce Chinese traditional colors to the world, and secondly as a toolbox for artists and designers. The usage of this web is simply by running the flex run function in the command line, and we can reach to the collection index page. The website design uses a flat structure. The users can navigate between functions by choosing the corresponding page in the top navigation bar. The title contains a link to send user back to the index page at any time they want. On the index collection page, there are 6 categories of color which contain and introduce a number of traditional colors. If we go into each category, the image on the left tends to act as a return button to send users to the previous page. If we go to another one, without logging into an account, users can only browse the colors. If we hover on the color, the name, the hex number, and the RGB values will appear. If we log into an account, I already signed up, so I'll just log in right now. Then we'll see the plus buttons appear underneath. This will allow the user to use the favorite function. By just simply clicking the add button, they can add the color into a favorite collection. For example, if we say we add this one, it says add to your favorite. And then we can go to the favorite page. Then we can see the added color here. If we go to the palette page, it acts like a fill color function, which will randomly generate a combination of colors from the database to provide inspiration to users. If we click multiple times, there'll be multiple different combinations. Users can also use the drop button to select the color they want to create their own combination to have a visual inspiration. Then if we go to the about page, it's a straightforward brief introduction of this website. Then we can use a logout here to return to the homepage. Thank you for listening, and this is my final project for CS50.